Thank you, Mr. Charmley and EPA staff for holding this public hearing regarding this very complicated issue. My name is Laurel Moorhead and I represent TransferFlow, which has been in business in Northern California for over 40 years, manufacturing high-quality, American-made liquid fuel systems and creating high-paying local jobs. Requiring all new vehicles sold to either be electric, plug-in hybrids, or fuel cell electric vehicles crowds out other near-zero technologies. Implementation of any available near-zero technology should be encouraged for a multitude of reasons. TransferFlow disagrees with CARB's singular transportation technology bias. Consumers are more likely to adopt near-zero technologies if given a menu of near-zero emission technologies to choose from. The real issue isn't whether electric vehicles should be adopted. The danger is in dictating to consumers or industry which near-zero technologies they are allowed to develop, regardless of how ill-suited an electric vehicle may be for a given application. You've already heard earlier today from my friend Mike Copeland, who built and drives a low-NOx hydrogen internal combustion-powered car. Tesla has only been in business for 20 years, which really isn't that long compared to other mainstream automotive manufacturers. If someone wants to start a company manufacturing low-NOx hydrogen internal combustion-powered vehicles, they should be allowed to do so. The Advanced Clean Cars 2 regulation is dangerous because it outlaws technologies that haven't even been invented yet. We heard earlier today from PG&E, who is my local energy provider. PG&E says they are ready for the adoption of electric vehicles because they will sell more electricity, but PG&E themselves is not practicing what they preach. If you drive by any PG&E service yard, you will see it chock full of natural gas-powered utility trucks because electric vehicles simply do not have the energy density required to conduct meaningful maintenance operations. If you weren't part of CARB's Advanced Clean Fleets rulemaking process, you might not realize that dozens of public utility districts in California provided written public comments stating that the ACF rule will prevent them from providing essential services to citizens. The heavy-duty off-road equipment being promoted by CARB's hybrid and zero-emission truck and bus voucher incentive project, the HVIP, touts electric, heavy-duty off-road equipment that comes stock mounted with a diesel generator to charge the heavy-duty electric vehicle batteries. Ram's new electric pickup comes stock mounted with a gasoline-powered generator. CARB wants to allow electric vehicles being mounted with generators, but wants to outlaw my friend Mike Copeland's low-NOx hydrogen-powered internal combustion engine. CARB pretending that the only choice is between the continued use of fossil fuels or a conversion to all electric is a false dichotomy. America is supposed to be the land of the free and the home of the brave. CARB's job should be to regulate emission levels, and any way industry chooses to meet those emission levels should be allowed. We've heard a bunch of people say that transportation is the #1 cause of pollution, but it's actually a pretty close tie between transportation and electricity generation. We need to be careful about outsourcing our emissions and replacing one environmental hazard with the other. Thank you, EPA staff, for your time.